In this video, we are going to be showing you the top 5 best affiliate marketing websites in 2022. Affiliate marketing is a very huge market and a lot of people are already making a lot of money with it. Many affiliate marketers generate 6-figure incomes and beyond. You can do this too. With affiliate marketing, there is no need for you to have your own products and services to promote. Having a famous brand is also not necessary. If you are skeptical about earning a fortune through affiliate marketing, then there is no need to be. Affiliate marketing is where you promote other people's products or services for a commission. You do not need any experience to succeed with affiliate marketing. If you are an experienced online marketer, then you can promote affiliate offers as a way to increase your income. Once you have set up your affiliate marketing campaigns, they can be a source of regular passive income for you. In a nutshell, you find an interesting product online and agree with the vendor to give you a commission for every sale you drive to their website. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Health Hacks. Health Hacks provides you with reliable information about how to make money and investing. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. The first affiliate marketing website on our list is called Clickbank.com. Yes, Clickbank is legit. They do a great job of providing affiliate marketers with digital products to sell and make money. If you're looking for a digital product to promote as an affiliate, Clickbank is one of the first places you should check out. The Clickbank marketplace is renowned as a place to find a wide array of digital products you can make affiliate commissions on. Digital products tend to have extremely high commissions per sale. A good Clickbank offer will often make you much more than the 3% cut you receive from selling physical products on traditional affiliate platforms. The second affiliate market is called InDigitalWorks. On this website, you are going to find a lot of digital products that you can sell and make money. As you can see right here, high-quality PLR products you can feel good about selling to your customers. Scroll down and as you can see, registration is free. Get access to 200 products. No obligations, cancel at any time, 100% risk-free. Scroll down, and right here, we feature hundreds of ready-to-be-sold digital products you can sell right now. You'll find everything you need to start your online business on this website. The third one is called Impact.com. This is an affiliate marketing network that basically has a lot of affiliate programs inside of it combined. What you need to do is to go to Impact.com and you are going to find a lot of brands to promote. Right here, you can choose if you want to be a brand or a partner. If we click on, "Are you a partner?" you will land on this page, scroll down, and right here, work with businesses that are looking for partners like you. As you can see, there are a lot of big brands and companies on this website that are willing to partner with you to promote their products. All these platforms you see here you can promote and start making money. The number 4 website is called Digistore24.com. Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all common payment methods and accounting automation including tax automation. As you can see, more sales, less work. It is totally free to sign up. If we scroll down, right here, with Digistore24 you can sell and promote digital products, software, events, physical products, and much more. The last affiliate on our list is called ShareASale.com. This is also very powerful and reliable affiliate marketing website that will help you make a lot of money. As you can see right here, ShareASale is the fastest growing marketing platform, empowering partnerships that drives results. This is another great affiliate site you can use right now to get started with your affiliate business. And that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.